Hey everyone, welcome to AzaraCast, where we learn, heal, grow, and glow. I'm your host, Azara. And today we're diving into a topic that's super exciting but can be also a bit nerve-wracking: starting university. Yay! If you're a first-year student or a second-year student but you got such a bad experience in your first year, this episode is for you. We will cover how to make friends, stay positive, enjoy studying, embrace alone time, reduce stress, and how you can fall in love with university, like I am right now. Especially on your first day. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about reducing stress, especially on your first day. It's normal to feel anxious, but here are some tips to help you stay calm. Plan ahead. Know your schedule and plan your route to classes. This can help you feel more in control and less stressed. Arrive early. Give yourself plenty of time to get campus. Arriving early can also help you avoid the rush and find your way around. Breathe. Practice deep breathing exercises. Inhale slowly through your nose. Hold on for seconds and exhale through your mouth. Let's do it again. Inhale slowly through your nose. Hold for a few seconds and exhale through your mouth. This can help calm your nerves. Stay hydrated and eat well. Drink plenty of water and have a healthy breakfast. It can help you stay focused and energized all the day long. Now, let's talk about making friends. University is a fantastic place to meet new people and grow your social zone, network, all of this stuff, but it can feel overwhelming at first. So here are some tips to help you out. Join clubs and societies. Find groups that match your interests, whether it's sports, arts, or academic clubs. Joining these can help you meet like-minded people, and it's a great way to find your trip. Attend events. Go to campus events, parties, and social gatherings. These are perfect opportunities to break the ice and start conversations. Don't be shy, everyone is looking to make new friends, so just go ahead. Be open and approachable. Smile, make eye contact, and don't be afraid to start a conversation. Remember, everyone is in the same boat looking to make friends. A simple, "Hi, my name is Azara," for example, can go a long way. Staying positive and energized throughout the year can be challenging, but it's totally doable. Here are some tips. Set realistic goals. Break your tasks into smaller, manageable goals. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This can keep you motivated and positive. Stay active. Exercise regularly. It boosts your mood and energy levels. Even a short walk can make a big difference. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. It helps you stay focused and positive. A well-rested mind is a happy mind. Eat well. A balanced diet can do wonders for your energy and mood. Include plenty of fruit, vegetables, and whole grains in your meals. And try your best to avoid processed food, please. Enjoying your studies is a key to a successful university experience. Here's how you can make studying more enjoyable. Find your study style. Some people like studying in groups, while others prefer quiet spaces. Find what works best for you. Experiment with different methods until you find your groove. Use study tools. Apps, planners, and study groups can help you stay organized and motivated. Tools like flashcards, mind maps, and study apps can make learning fun. Take breaks. Don't forget to take short breaks during the study session. It helps you stay fresh and focused. A quick walk for a few minutes or stretching can do wonders. Lastly, let's talk about embracing alone time. It's normal to feel lonely sometimes, but alone time can be really beneficial. Self-reflection. Use this time to reflect on your goals and progress. It helps you stay grounded and understand yourself better. Pursue hobbies. Engage in activities you love, whether it's reading, painting, or playing an instrument. Hobbies can be a great way to relax and recharge. Practice self-care. Take care of your mental and physical health. Meditation, journaling, and relax in bed can be a great way to unwind. Remember, it's okay to take time for yourself. That's it for today's video. Remember, university is a journey, and it's okay to feel a mix of emotions. Embrace the experience, make the most of it, and don't forget to have fun. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Until the next time, bye bye!